To begin the experience, look for the mark on the panel and scan it. We will now begin the maintenance tasks. Select the first job from the list of the scheduled tasks. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see the multimeter. Please take the multimeter by sliding it down and make sure once there, turn the wheel to the first option, voltage. Long press on the Bluetooth button until the Bluetooth icon appears in the upper left corner of the screen to connect. Put the multimeter in its place and take the probes. We will now perform the measurements in the points indicated by the holograms. Please do not move. A photograph will be taken with the value obtained. The photograph was successful. It will now be sent to the central. Make sure that it shows the two values correctly and press send. Now, we will perform another measurement in the points indicated by the holograms. Please do not move. A photograph will be taken with the value obtained. The photograph was successful. It will now be sent to the central. An out-of-range value has been detected. Make sure that the probes are positioned correctly in the image and select Send. The measurements have finished. A diagnosis of the results is being made. Please wait for a moment. Error detected. Sending the repair request. Please wait for a moment. We will now go to the list of tasks for the repair. Carefully follow the list of tasks provided by the central. To begin, press the emergency button. Now disarm the redundant source. Open the fuse holder, check the fuse and close it. Arm the redundant source. We will now perform the measurements in the points indicated by the holograms. Please do not move. A photograph will be taken with the value obtained. The photograph was successful. It will now be sent to the central. Make sure that it shows the two values correctly and press Send. Please take the multimeter by sliding it down and make sure that the wheel is in the off position. Put the multimeter in its place. Finally, reset the emergency button. Congratulations! The error has been resolved and the plant has been notified. This experience has now ended. Thank you very much for participating.